are, Pinch 'em Tight Trail, Red River Gorge, Kentucky. It's Travis. Yeah, buddy. So we just started the trail. About a minute ago. We got a little bit of a hike. If I get you guys a shot here, we're still on the Pinch 'em Tight Trail. Just basically got on it. It's kind of a little spot you can step off here. Get a little view. This is the first time me and Travis is gonna hit Hanson's Point, which is kind of ridiculous considering we've been hiking in the Red River Gorge for like 8-9 years now, and this is one of the best spots. So it's pretty awesome.
We got a half mile to the rough trail.
Back to the grind. That's how we rock and we roll. Taking a rest break. It's hot. Good old Arnold Camelback. Gotta have it. Yeah. Alright.
On the unofficial trail.
To Hanson Pike. So it starts getting a little tight. Lots of pine. A little maze trail. Oh, I see it. She is beautiful, as you can tell. Whew. Awesome. Let's go out here on the actual point itself. Beautiful views. Let's see how close I can get without falling off. So yeah, guys, we made it.